Just say no. Today on the 30-day Hindi challenge, we're going to learn how to say no. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ एक कटोरी में आप सबको बहुत
Hi everyone, welcome back to day 4 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Today, our vocabulary words are nahi for no or not, amir for rich, and garib for poor. Our grammar key today is nahi, main, blank, nahi hu. No, I, not, am. Nahi, main amir nahi hu. No, I am not rich. Nahi, main garib nahi hu. No, I am not poor. Notice that we're using the word nahi twice here. It's the same in English. No, I am not rich or poor or whatever other descriptive word you want to put in there. Nahi, main, blank, nahi hu. That's our grammar key for today. Now let's spend some time drilling it. Nahi, main amir nahi hu. Nahi, main garib nahi hu. Nahi, main bharatiya nahi hu. Nahi, main Amriki nahi hu. Now you know how to say, no, I am not, this or that. And you can put in any other word that you learn in the future that is a descriptive word. All right, that's it for day 4 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. See you back here tomorrow.